Hey J fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on this lip and the Stay Hidden cosmetics, then stay tuned and keep watching. So my face is pretty much done except for my lips, and that's because we'll be talking about the Stay Golden Cosmetics Glitter Lip Kit. It's kiss proof, swim proof, tum up proof, cruelty free, and I got the shade Hunni. I don't know if this is turn up or tum up. I think it's turn up proof, I don't know. And then it has the directions on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so it comes with the glitter. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, and then it comes with a double-sided brush. It's like a sponge, and then like kind of like a bristle brush. Then we got the lip liner, it looks like. And then the gloss bond. Okay, so that's the gloss bond. And then the lip liner. So let's read the directions, shall we? Start with dry lips. My lips kind of look crusty, so we're good to go. All right, apply the gloss bond to your parted lips one at a time. Once the gloss is clear, dampen the applicator and use it to pick up the glitter. Gently pat onto lips to completely cover the gloss bond. Tips: line your lips for a flawless finish. To remove, use an oil-based makeup remover. Okay, so we're gonna start with the lip liner. I'm gonna see if I like this color first. Oh, that's bright. It's nice and creamy. Just lining them as usual, filling in the outer corners. Now it's set to go in with the bond and then the glitter. So I'm gonna open the glitter. Oh, it's super pretty. And then I got the brush ready. So you see it's like a sponge on this side. And then the other side is just like a regular brush. Okay, so I said start with one lip at a time. So I'm gonna start with the bottom lip. It doesn't sound good. Feels like glue. It doesn't smell good. I'm gonna take this side. That is so pretty. Okay. Now for the top lip. This doesn't smell good. It just... Okay. So I think I did this wrong. So it says, once the gloss is clear, dampen the applicator and use it to pick up the glitter and pat over your lips completely. So I'm just gonna take the other side and wet it a little bit. It's definitely pretty. For sure, it's very pretty. They do have different shades as well. I'll make sure to include the prices and the different shades in this video. But I should have followed the directions better, but it's okay. So it says it's kiss proof, so definitely kiss proof. Waterproof, so I'm gonna drink. It's waterproof, so yeah. Also, to remove it, it said use an oil-based makeup remover. So you could probably just use like coconut oil or something to remove it if you don't have an oil-based makeup remover. It is glitter, so it could be a little messy depending on how good you are with glitter. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this. Use the Neutrogena makeup remover. It doesn't feel, it just feels like glitters on your lip. It's not like heavy, it's not necessarily lightweight, like you could feel it there, but it's glitter, so it's basically what I expect. So it does come off with the Neutrogena. I think it would be better for the nighttime or maybe a festival or some form of activity. Just for me right now, I kind of just want my usual lip. I feel like that's more nighttime. So yeah, I think that's fun. I think it's something I would probably wear during the night maybe, or depending on what festivities there are, I might do that. Yeah, it's super pretty though. It was easy to take off, so keep that in mind. I think the only different thing that I might do is get a different lip liner, use a different lip liner instead. But yes, this is fun, quick, easy, pretty. It's kiss proof, waterproof. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.